Welcome to my channel, The Learning Curve. Let's learn about some farm animals. Let me show you the animals around the farm. This is a farm. It's a red barn. This is a scarecrow. It scares the birds. This is a windmill. It gives us electricity. One, two, three. Three windmills. This is a red barn. Animals live in the barn. Wheelbarrow. This is a wheelbarrow. Let's see some animals at the farm. This is a turkey. One, two. Two sheep. Goat. One goat. Duck. Duck quacks, quack, quack. Hen. This is a hen. Hen's baby is called a chick. One, two, three, four, five. Five chicks. Horse. Horse. Horse's baby is called a foal. Cow. One cow. One, two. Two cows. One pig. One, two, three. Three pigs. Rabbit. What does the rabbit like to eat? Rabbit likes to eat carrot. One, two, three, four. Four carrots. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.